Hello guys, I want to update you with a little video about what is going on in the finance market. I will start with crypto, and there is happening a lot of scheme right now. People use the current news and as well FOMO, the fear of missing out, to buy their coins. And they create coins out of thin air with using Elon Musk for that. And I can tell you it is a Ponzi scheme, and I wouldn't do it. And the people who do it early will profit the most, and that is the result of a Ponzi scheme. That makes sense. But it has a specific reason why I stopped showing you my crypto portfolio. First of all, nobody of us can tell what will going on with crypto. The founder of Binance, CZ, was in jail, and after Donald Trump started to get the president, he got released. And a lot of crypto rules got loose at all. The SEC didn't get the power that they had once. And a lot of different things happened in the background. So for me, there's just the option to take my profits out in 3 to 4 years. And the rest is not predictable at all. A lot of people tell us Bitcoin will go to 1 million. And if we are honest, nobody of us could predict that Bitcoin will get over 120k. We have a lot of other coins, but for me, just the big player makes sense. And everything else is your opinion and your thing to do. I just want to tell you, be safe, guys. Don't trust everyone and do things which let you sleep at night and don't get you worried. And especially if you invest into Bitcoin, don't invest life-changing money inside of your crypto platform. Choose wisely which coins make sense. Read between the lines, check the news, check the developers, and all the other things which are important in investing into crypto, so you don't lose a lot of money. And if we speak about safe investments, I want to share with you my current status of my ETFs and stocks. So right now I'm at 17,660 and I have unrealized profit of almost 3,250. My next investment in stocks and ETFs will happen in the next week. And right now the market is going up and down and it's going insanely. And let us check the performance against the S&P 500 because I didn't check it either. But it is going right now hand in hand with the S&P 500. And this is the thing that Warren Buffett told us all the time. You can't beat over a long time the S&P 500 with a very cheap expense ratio. And let us check if it will continue this way or not. But don't forget, my biggest position is the S&P 500 VOO. And we will see if I will outperform it in the future or not. And overall, if it's possible for a long period of time. That was a very short update, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.